Senator Okpebholo has threatened to send me to prison.
Hello my people, how na day? What's on a day fine? I beg you let me share this video. Love and like and share this video. As I just the waka they go. Now I come here oh. About say Gumeta about it. Tamima can move here. What will be? Tell us.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I don't feel sleep. I couldn't sleep. I got information last night that the governor of Edo State, the APC governor of Edo State, Senator Okpebholo, has threatened to send me to prison.
Wow!
Anytime I end.
Wow! What a good news! Wow! Update. What a good news! This one's sweet. Oh, Ghana, you be. This our governor. He not they play. Oh, you think say it be like your waiting you carry come. Eh? It not be like that. Oh, if he talks something, he go do one. He say he want send you to where? He want send you to he enter. What you now? Why you gonna cry? Why you not sleep last night? Also make you not sleep. I'm on see you. And where get boy about it when I get father. The time when you tell and Anomigo may not come Bini. You not remember? He not come oh. When he reach Lagos, he can't even carry a leg, he can't carry go America. He not come. That time you say now you get Bini. You say now you don't talk. If he come, what Benodia call, who Benoke de. Now Anomigo can say no problem. I not go reach Bini. He can't carry a leg, he go back. Which one you can't cry now? What did they beat you? Why you not sleep? You say me we can't help you beggar. Umene gejo owiye giri ye eraga gwegwan owiye giri yo owe no ri yen ho e owe yen ha ya we mi akobe ma mo fe eyi to ye wo ni e yo gele akobe ai mo fe owe obi yin hwenye hi o obi hwenye hi e we gita na obi hwenwe hi you know ya ta hian never see chonchi
Nigeria. The governor has threatened to take away my freedom.
Hey, Jan, so sweet.
He has threatened to take me out of circulation.
Wow, congratulations to Abba. This one enter. Congratulations to you. Now this one you merit. And when one go alone, now you deserve. This one are the this our government. If you feel do one, see the kind happiness what we go get, it go too big go because the money we about our money we about carry. We with Obazee go sit down for UK. Come they tell us update, come they give us nyama. Come they but you deserve one. You deserve one. You must go in for it. You not go even though say you wrong. You never the time when your father tell you say my pikin not be saying they do politics. Your mama talk you not hear you say all na story. We can't tell you you say all na story. You say if you people where you with and do politics now should be they enjoy. They are enjoying. You say na lie. You say you go put on for head. You say anybody will come across who brush you there. Nah, it don't reach your tongue. While you saw you na, you agbe you on one. While you saw you na, you agbe you ahara. Ije o. Eba su wegbe neba we do aso. Ija. We make a better moment no marry. You very the best yo. You know say if una do something now they forget say una don't fair do another person yo. If they can't do una can't they do I like mosquito. Now can't they do like this I don't do anything yo. Una see what this governor they do me. Me where be say I be good person. You can't forget say you fair bad person. We make a film my. Take a movie mama. Never say chonchi.
Completely. He spoke through one of his agents Monday here in the UK. The governor said that anytime I step my foot into Nigeria, that he's going to send me to prison.
Wow. sweet you? Which one you call the cry put?
This.
Which one you call the like do like this put? The time when your papa Obaseki dey for there, you say me anybody wey talk to now, you save the come. Wahala wa no. Waiting they make you, they drag and go betting next tomorrow. Not be because of Obaseki. One I don't understand. One of the quick they forget what you now. I know. Una they forget something. Wait till now they give people. Una know they take calm. Oh, if they just do una shekele like this, so una go cry. You no go finish. The all waiting you don't they do people. You don't reach your body now. You want when they tell us say, governor say, make you not go again now. You don't fair no. Let make you consider for UK. So may you ujema wo wa be go. Agani na atama we about your money zuo be yan na. Uwe we talk zuo. We problem iro. Oga alagbodo zuo ni awa alagbode no wasi ai. Omondio ikon zuo na ohuwa me gbe ya. They carry mama they use that sing na ya ipolo talk. Yan we to with politics. Get politics yan no. Area ya with politics. Why we politics ula we gan. It can sweet. Oh yeah. Me with the
plus near blackmail all the appointees. Yeah, but you have
he's working for his master now.
You have a social media group.
Obazee will definitely go to prison.
Wow.
I said he will not touch the soil of Nigeria.
Wow.
Obazee will definitely go to prison.
Wow. Congratulations to you about Obazee. Oh, why you call the like bare head the bare head of this one? Yeah, you don't know before say if you do anyhow you go for it. Me I don't understand though. Now this one let me not tell like you now. Because if you they talk, then they tell you say you they pass your boundary oh, you they do anyhow, una say ebo de. Ebo no de con. If Oyibo con you want to do marriage. Here Oyibo con now you want to do marriage, you can't the verse. I don't understand you. Leave Oyibo do marriage. Not when they do one kind say the thing they pay you. Ebo de nia. If Oyibo con na marriage you want to do na just calm down. Make your Oyibo suffer do marriage. Not when they do anyhow. Akobema mofe. Obe to vie money. Oh yeah.
I said he will not touch the soil of Nigeria.
This is a press briefing by Concerned Edo Youth. Concerned Edo Youth call on the Inspector General of Police and the Edo State.
My people, I go put another video where be say another person say analyze. Yeah, I'm when you way. Now see your life. About see your life can sweet. Gejo. Awinye ngiri ye. Eraga gwegwa. Awinye ngiri yo. Awe nori nye hoe. Eyinye kan yawe myo. Akobe ma mofen. Egi tobi ewo ni yo gele. Akobe amofen. Owo bi hunye hin. Next time you go dey hear words. Not when they do like say you not do anything. Everybody know for this media. Nah, not be Obaseki they fight for. Continue. Obaseki there now. No worry. You go see Obaseki has. She be there for America. Be where they Canada. Anywhere where you like me, they not be your papa. I be don't talk say no they. You not want you again. Ogbeti one of UK. You know me. No. Congratulations to you. You don't talk and don't talk. Anytime when you tell to put your leg back, you are welcome to the co-side of it. You understand? Next time, if your party talk to you, are you bye bye? Wazua, or more done.